Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to explain you how to perform web search using Python. So I don't want to use any APIs or I don't want to perform any costly based web search. I just want free. Like I don't want to use any APIs or any free trial limits. So for that, DuckDuckGo provides us a way. DuckDuckGo search you can able to perform. So for this, you first need to install DuckDuckGo. How to install it, sir? Just a simple command, that is a pip install DuckDuckGo hyphen search. So that's it. It will install. This command will install you this DuckDuckGo search. After the installation got done, you can able to use this and get a method from it. Let's get the required class or method from it. From DuckDuckGo underscore search. Let's import DuckDDGS. That's a short form of DuckDuckGo search. You can remember like that. Then you need to create an object for this. So I'm just creating an object for this and storing in DDGS. Then by using this DDGS, whatever the object that you created for this DuckDuckGo, you can use it and you can use this text method. You can see this text. If you just tap on it, then it will tell you the details of it. DuckDuckGo text search. For this, you need to provide a parameter that is your query as a keyword and max results. How many results you want? So that detail you need to provide here. So let's provide that. Like what is our query? Let's say I do not provide max results. Let's provide what is AI and let's run this. So you can see multiple articles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally 10 results I got. And for each and every result, I got some title and the link related to the data from which website it picked the content from and the content related to the question. So these things I got. So for a particular query, if you want the response from multiple sites, then this is one of the approach. Let's say I want only the result from only two websites. Then you can change this max results is equals to 2 and run this again. Max results. So you can able to get only two results like top two and you can able to see the response of it. So what is AI? AI is the umbrella that encompasses encompasses a wide variety of technologies including ML so and so related to our request. We got the response from Wikipedia. We got the response and from Coursera organization also we got some response from the article they published. So like this, you can able to implement web search in Python for free by using this DuckDuckGo search. So first, just install this DuckDuckGo search, then create an object for this DDGS that you imported from DuckDuckGo search, and just use this dot text method and provide your query and pass how many results you want so that you get those many results related to that particular query.